teaching you how to fix error MySQL shutdown and acceptedly in XAMPP server. Okay, let's go. We can show the error here. The MySQL server cannot be started in XAMPP server. We can show in logs file. Error, the MySQL server cannot read main database setting from the server. So we need reset the setting database in MySQL server. We can get a default database from backup folders, or we can get from clean install in other PC. Here I have backup from all setting. We can show by click Explorer here from XAMPP server. After click Explorer, the windows open and the target open XAMPP main folder. We need go to MySQL folder and make copy of data folder, because we need make copy for safety my data, your data. So here we have a copy data folder before any edit before make any edit. Now I will open the backup. I open backup folder and select all folder and all file in this in folder backup, exception your data folder name. Example, here I have database name test, so I copy all and accept folder of my database. If you have database and remember your database name, don't copy database name, only copy this file. You can look here, I have database name as test, so I don't copy this folder. If you don't have this folder, file and folder in backup, you can copy from clean install in other PC. Now I go to data folders and select all except my database. I make select all except. Here I select all except my database. You can look, I have two databases here. It's my database name is multi and test, and in your folder you can see your database folders. So we select all folder and file in data folder and exception folder, your database folder. Example, if you have a folder name Apple, so you select all and exception Apple folder. If your database name is orange folder, you select all except orange folder. Okay, now I delete all exception my database folder and copy other copy folder from backup. And now when we start MySQL, we can see MySQL start normal, and now I will test in PHP MyAdmin. It's okay, it's run okay, any problem. So now I open PHP MyAdmin to check. We can look here, my database is fine, okay. and I can open my database normal, and my test database also is normal. This is final of video. Please don't forget subscribe in my video in my channels. Have a nice day.